Hey, all my YouTube fans, I want to say thank you for following me all these years and joining. Sadly, I have to actually close this account. I'm not adding any more content. I'm going to be shutting down a lot of the stuff that's on there. I'm moving. That's right, I'm moving to another location with all my videos and the new ones that are coming up. All this coming month of December 1st all the way to the end of the year, I'm going to have a unique little cartoon snowman each day, new one that you can follow and be creative with. So remember, I'm sorry I'm leaving for technical issues. I'm not going to get involved, but basically it's not for my best interest right now, and I need to take a little detour to another site. It's called Rumble, and it's going to have all my content. I'm slowly putting it up there right now, so make sure you follow me there, and I appreciate you for following me here, but I'm looking forward to all the new followers at Rumble. Anyways, looking forward to seeing you guys there. Thanks.